Instagram is a great platform that allows you to express yourself through photos and give real-time updates to your followers. In addition to that, it also gives you the freedom to change your name or your display name at any time. If you decide that your current name does not really reflect you anymore, or if you have a new nickname in mind, or you have been dared, or you simply want to change, then here's a simple way how to change your name on Instagram. If you are using your laptop or computer, simply open your browser and access the Instagram website. After you log in, click on your profile icon, just beside the heart, at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Next, click Settings. From there, you will be able to see all your account settings, and you will be able to edit your profile. You may change your name by deleting your old name and typing in your new one. Make sure you don't mistake the username and name fields. Another way to access this setting is to click on your profile picture, then choose Profile, and you will arrive at your profile with all your uploaded pictures. You can now simply click Edit Profile, and you will arrive at the same menu. Now, if you are using the Android or iOS application on your phone, simply open the app and tap the profile icon in the lower right part of the screen. After that, you should be able to see your own profile and photos you posted. Just under your name, you'll be able to see the Edit Profile button. Click that, and you will be able to edit your profile, starting from your name to your bio. Just put in your new desired name, click Done, and you're all set. Now you have a new display name. You can easily change your display name anytime. However, Instagram will only allow you to change your name twice within 14 days. So you better make sure that you really want to change your name and that you like the new one you will be using. If you find this video helpful, make sure to click like and subscribe and hit that notification icon to watch other guides for all sorts of technology. Also, don't forget to check out all these other videos that we think you'll enjoy.